Welcome to Not So Creative. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do the German twisted gaston, also known as the elastic long-tail gaston. This technique is ideal for projects where you need a stretchy edge, like cups, socks, or hats. It's very similar to the standard long-tail gaston, but with a little twist, literally. So, grab your needles and yarn and let's get started. To start, hold the yarn the same way you would do for the standard long-tail gaston. The tail of the yarn goes over your thumb, the working yarn, connected to the ball, goes over your index finger, and now grab both tails of yarn with the rest of your fingers. Place the needle on top of the strand of yarn and make a twist to create the first stitch. Insert the needle under both strands of yarn on your thumb, starting from the front and moving backward. Bring the needle over the top of the inside thumb strand through the middle of the loop and under the outside strand to form a twist in the thumb loop. Then catch the working yarn from your index finger with the needle and bring it through the twisted part of the loop. And last, drop the loop off your thumb and gently tighten the stitch on the needle. And that's your first stitch. Now, repeat these steps for the remaining stitches you need to cast on. Under both thumb strands, insert the needle in the middle, scoop the yarn from your index finger, bring it through the twist. Drop the loop off your thumb. Keep your tension even. The beauty of this gaston is its elasticity, but you don't want your stitches to be too tight or too loose. And there you have it, the German twisted gaston. This technique gives you a beautiful stretchy edge that's perfect for ribbon and other projects needing flexibility. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more knitting techniques and projects. Have you tried this gaston before? Let me know in the comments what you think or if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.